Hello all of my quilty friends and welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and I make videos about quilting and my creative life, and today I'm on a little bit of a day out and I thought I would bring you along with me. It's a Heritage Open Day where there's a group that specialise in historic textiles and they're putting on a historic and contemporary patchwork show. So I think there'll be lots of quilts on display. It says there'll be quilts, small projects, all that type of thing, and some craft tables and a tombola. So you know that is definitely my type of thing. It's at a garden centre in Coventry. I think it's only on for today, but perhaps if you're in the local area you might be able to catch it again maybe next year. I'll leave the details below. So let's have a look around. So this was the first quilt that was on display. I just love how it's displayed on the old milk truck, and this was actually a commercially made quilt that was saved from landfill, and that's just a little bit of information about it. The rest of the quilts were all handmade quilts, some contemporary, some vintage, some very well worn and loved quilts. Unfortunately I didn't manage to speak to any of the event organisers. They just wasn't around at the time that I was at the exhibition, so I don't have any additional information about the quilts other than that they're made by a group run by Jane Corbett, and she specialises in historical textiles with that group, but she's also a patchwork tutor. So I'll leave you to enjoy all the beautiful scenery. All of the quilts were set in a beautiful secret garden type of thing, and it was just a wonderful sunny day and the quilts were just blowing in the breeze. It was just fabulous. I just had to show you this little hut that they had that was full of second-hand goodies that was run on an honesty system. There's a little honesty box that you make a donation to the railway system that's also at the garden centre. They had so much patchwork and quilting themed goodies. So I got some cottons, some beautiful vintage frames, and then quite a few vintage books which will come in really handy for some inspiration. And of course I couldn't leave behind this beautiful tablecloth that just had beautiful stitching all over it. It's a nice circular cloth. I also picked up this wonderful tapestry of a heron. I think that would be lovely in a nice dark frame. Some iron-on transfers and a few more books just for inspiration. The projects in them are gorgeous and I think I'll be able to put my own spin on things. There was another tapestry that I did leave behind because it was incomplete, but I wish I bought it now. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until next time, you take care. Bye bye.